Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get help or contact the customer service in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Click on it. And now you should once again look at the top of your right corner and you will find there the settings. Press on it and you should scroll down a little bit, and almost as the last option you will find the help and feedback option. Press on it. You should wait a little bit and you can basically check out general help topics about setting up Prime Video, troubleshooting Prime Video channels, and accessibility. For example, if you press on troubleshooting, you wait a little bit and you can see the subcategories here about troubleshooting. For example, US Open support, and if you press on it you can basically read all about it. You can see that there are further questions and answers about it, and you can basically more than likely going to find the answer that you are looking for, or if not, you can just press on no, I need more help, and you can basically speak with a representative. So if you click on it, you can see the interval where when they are receiving calls, or you can just email them. You have the name already selected here, the email address, the issue basically you have to contact them with, and you have to write in basically a text here about your issue. And after that is done, all you have to do, so I'm just going to write in something here, all you have to do is just press on send email down below and your email will be sent to them. So either way, you are more than likely going to find basically a solution to your problem one way or another. So don't worry, this is where you can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.